Okay, let's do a quick stock news recap for the week. Some super neat stuff happened this week. If you missed the Tesla bus, don't leave the station because the Lucid bus is coming. We had the CCIV SPAC go bananas over a rumor that they may be merging with Lucid Motors, which is projected to be Tesla's next big rival. Hell, even the guy who designed the most revolutionary sedan on the market, the Model S, left Tesla to work for Lucid. This puppy shot up from 10 bucks a share to 18 bucks a share in a week. But remember, it is still technically a rumor. Keep your eyes on this one. This is one to follow for the next and foreseeable future. Next, we have my favorite actively managed ETF from ARK now making some big news. If you invest in any of their ETFs last year, you would be experiencing euphoria right now. They're up between 150 to 200% on each one of them. Cathie Wood is an animal, and they just filed with the SEC for a new ETF to be added to their portfolio, ARKX, with the primary focus on space exploration. We're just starting to grasp AI, robotics, drones, and then this is preparing us to invest in freaking air taxis and electric aviation vehicles. Mind blown. Speaking of drones, one real quick last news. This past Friday night, Wall Street Journal posted some potentially groundbreaking news for the drone industry. The FAA approved first fully automated commercial drone flights to a small Massachusetts-based company, giving them permission to operate drones without hands-free piloting by human controllers in rural areas and altitudes of up to 40 feet. Now, this is great news and baby steps for many drone-based businesses. Keep an eye out on AG Eagle Aerial Systems. For an example, ticker UAVS. This is right up their alley, and it could cause an uptick for them when markets open tomorrow. But who knows? The inauguration is Wednesday. Oh wait, there's more. I did a video about SENS yesterday, and I'll link that video in the card above if you haven't seen it yet. And of course, I wake up to a notification that they're doing a direct offering of $50 million for 40 million shares at $1.25 a share to close on January 21st. So I don't have a crystal ball, but usually stocks dip on this kind of news. And on penny stocks, people can overreact and have a huge sell-off. Never know. But will it go below $1.25? Nobody knows. But either way, it's a good one to look at for an entry point if you haven't got this one in your portfolio yet, especially if you're a long-term investor. And as an added final bonus to sticking around this far, the Biden bus is pumping stimulus into clean energy for the USA. Now, which stocks are you going to look at to benefit from this? I figured it would be more simple to look at which ETF has clean energy that has as much USA exposure as possible with the upside of the stimulus, of course. And bingo, I found QCLN. This puppy has went up 200% in a year with an 89% exposure to the United States. Take a look at some of the holdings currently. Tesla, Enphase, NIO, SolarEdge, Plug. Even though technically NIO is a Chinese EV company, I'm not really sure why that one's in there, but I love it. Anyways, these make my brain tingle. They were some of the huge winners that were helping me achieve my 200% gains in 2020. This could be a good one to have on your radar. And there you have it, this week's quick news recap. And I just put out my week 3 of stock roulette video. I'll link it below where you guys can see me try to beat the average return in the stock market by investing into future growth stocks and talk about some of the weekly winners. But please remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not buy stocks without doing your own due diligence or on anybody's word. If you found some value in this video, smash that like button, consider subscribing. I'm just getting started.